today's video I'm going to be showing you some lunch ideas and some snack ideas of what to feed your toddler. I do get asked a lot on Instagram of what kind of things I do feed Harrison. I think particularly for lunch, because I know that a lot of mums struggle and want to feed their children for lunch. I know I do, because Harrison, he does like eating, he's a big eater, but I feel like at lunchtime he'd just rather pick and eat like little bits of whatever rather than having like, you know, like a proper like meal or something. And I always do struggle with lunchtime, so I'm just going to show you a few things that I've been feeding Harrison of recently, and I thought that I would share them with you. If you're new to my channel and you're not subscribed already, then make sure that you do subscribe and hit the little notification button as well, because then you'll get notified every time I upload a video. And if you do like this sorts of videos and you like this video, then make sure that you do give it a big thumbs up as well, because it helps me out and it lets me know that you enjoy these kind of videos. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. So all you're going to need to make this is just some bread, some tuna, some mayonnaise and some cheese. And yeah, I'm just going to show you how to make this. It's so simple and so easy, and Harrison absolutely loves this. It's one of his favourite things to eat at the moment. So the first thing that I do is just pop in the tuna, the drained tuna, into a bowl, and then I'm just going to mix together about 2.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise and just give that a good mix. I then just pop the toast in the toaster, and then I just pop on some tuna on top of the toast. And then a little bit of cheese sprinkled on top of each one. And then they're just going to go into the grill just until the cheese is melted and turns a little bit golden. So now that it's done, I'm just going to cut it up into little finger slices for Harrison, because that's just easier for him and he likes to eat it that way. And then for his lunch, he's having some cucumbers as well and half a banana, because it's his favourite. So that is what Harrison's lunch looks like. So it literally comes out looking like this, and then I've just chopped it up into little fingers, and then he's got some cucumber because he's teething, so they're perfect for him because they're nice and cold on his peggies. And then he's got half a banana, which is his favourite. There you go, darling. Is it hot still? They're hot? And he has a water as well, don't you? Now for a snack idea, I'm just going to be making Harrison some frozen yoghurt raspberries, because he absolutely loves these. I do normally make them with blueberries, but I didn't have any blueberries, so I'm just using raspberries today. And all that I'm going to use is some Greek style yoghurt, and pour some of that in a bowl. Then put a little bit of honey in there, probably about a tablespoon. Give that a good mix. And then I'm just going to place the raspberries into the yogurt and just cover them all up until it's covered, and then I just pop them on some tin foil ready to go into the freezer. And then you can also use raisins as well, which Harrison really likes. So I'm just going to pop some raisins in there and just coat them with the yogurt as well. And you're just going to leave those to set in the freezer for about 2 hours. So it's been about 2 hours and I've taken out my frozen yogurt raisins and raspberries. Now you don't have to use raspberries, you can use blueberries if you wanted, you could use blackberries or any kind of fruit, but I didn't actually have blueberries in, so I used raspberries instead. So this is what the raspberries look like, and they look so yummy. I mean, they are quite big, so you can just cut them in half for your baby or your toddler. And I just think these are a perfect little snack, and because they're cold you can't actually eat them like that, it's fine. And it's really nice to eat frozen fruit. I think it's really nice. I think this would be perfect for like any like baby or toddler who's teething, because Harrison is currently teething, so these would be perfect for, you know, to help his inflamed gums and whatever. And then this is just literally what the raisins look like. Nothing special, just so these are perfect for just like a little snack. And obviously once you take them out of the freezer, they will defrost and just probably go back to like being a sticky yogurt again. So obviously keep them in the freezer until you want them, until you need them, and just take them out as and when you need to eat them. So that concludes the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this give you some inspiration of what to give your babies to eat for lunch or as a snack. I will be doing more of these videos, so watch out for those. So yeah, if you did like this video, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, then make sure that you do subscribe as well, because it would mean the absolute world to me. And don't forget to have the notification bell on as well, because then you'll get notified every time I upload a video. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.